Hi, this is Jeremy Bradshaw from MarineMax Venice. This is one of our brand new listings. This is a super clean 2013 Boston Whaler 32 Outrage. This particular one has the twin 300 white Verados, and I don't use the word Bristol very often, but this boat's exceptionally clean. If you were on this boat, you'd think it was the 17 or 18 model. So one thing I like about the 32, very wide beam, very deep V. This is a great boat for offshore, possibly going down to the Keys fishing and stuff like that. It carries a lot of fuel. Horsepower to weight ratio, fuel economies, amazing with the Verados. So we've got lockable storage up here. We've got our windlass up front, storage in the floor. One thing I really like about the boat is the enclosed windshield. So when you're running, if you get caught in the rain or something, or if you're doing a long trip, this really makes it much more comfortable driving the boat. As you can see, all the way around, full coaming bolsters. This one also has the two little jump seats on our port and starboard side over here, so if you are doing some trolling or want extra seating, it works out great. We've got GPS chart plotter. This one also has radar, autopilot. This is the Garmin 7212. Really nice units, very easy to use. 341 hours on the Verados, so very light use on those. Digital throttle and shift. Everything's extremely clean and very well maintained. This boat was bought new from MarineMax, and it's a one owner. Been kept under storage its entire life. In the back, we have a great bait prep fishing station. Dedicated areas here for your leader, hooks, weights, terminal tackle. You've got your built-in drawers here as well. These drawers do lock, which is kind of nice. Giant fish boxes on both sides. Our hardtop, I did want to point out too, of course, we've got our outriggers here. This one has the upgraded sound system. Everything's all powder coated, so very, very little maintenance on these. In the back, in our stern area, we've got seating here, so this is a great boat for entertaining, you know, a larger family or friends. Also a great fishing boat. When you're done using it, just hit it with the water hose and put her away. These are white Verados back here. Twin 300s, low hours, so the boat's exceptionally clean. And if you're on the boat now, you thought it was a 2016 or 2017. So to recap, 2013 Boston Whaler 32 Outrage. My name's Jeremy Bradshaw. This is one of my new listings. We're listing the boat at $169,000. Feel free to give me a ring if you'd like. My number is 941-376-3345. Thank you for taking the time. Look forward to talking to you soon. Bye-bye.